Welcome to this video, guys. Today we'll check out how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox and how you can start using it. There are two options for installing Kali Linux in VirtualBox. You can use either installer images or virtual machine images. We'll go with the virtual machine images because they're much easier. If you're new to this, installer images might feel a bit tricky since they give you the flexibility to configure disk partitions, select software packages, and customize the installation, but you have to do all of that yourself and configure everything after booting from the ISO. For beginners, it's simpler to use virtual machine images because they come pre-installed and pre-configured for virtualization software like VirtualBox. So let's get started with that. Click on Virtual Machines. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can just click on it there. Since we're using VirtualBox, click on VirtualBox and your download will begin. My install folder is already here, so I'll just stop this download for now. Once the download is complete, open VirtualBox, which you'll use to quickly spin up a Kali Linux virtual machine. First, let me remove any old virtual machines I have here. Next, go to where you downloaded Kali Linux. I'm moving mine to the D drive. Right-click on the file and choose Extract All. This will extract the folder. Since the file is quite large, extraction might take a few minutes. When extraction is finished, open VirtualBox and click the Add button. Browse to the folder where you extracted the Kali Linux files. You'll see a .vbox file there. Double-click it. This file contains all the configurations you need to boot Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Now, just click Start and your virtual machine will begin booting, as you can see on the screen. After booting, it will ask for a username and password. The default credentials are listed on the VirtualBox website or in the documentation section. When prompted by Windows asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. According to the docs, the default username and password are both Kali, lowercase. You'll notice the grub loader on the bottom taskbar as the system loads. Once Kali Linux finishes booting, it will again ask for username and password. Enter Kali for both and you're logged in. Now you can use Kali Linux, explore the tools, and play around with it. When you're ready, you can try installing Kali using the installer images for a full custom setup. Here we are in the desktop now. You can open the terminal as you see here and browse through the various Kali tools available. Let's try running some commands to make sure everything works. Inside the terminal, commands run smoothly, so you can experiment and learn Kali Linux this way. So today we learned how to boot Kali Linux in VirtualBox using the virtual machine image. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.